Nice doing future business with you. Clean my hands. I like to keep myself nice and clean. So we should have your credit already pulled. Julia, can you stop standing around and bring me the papers for her credit already?
Стыдно, маленький, закрылся, я смечусь.
Ooh. So we got a problem. We have the car. You have the down payment. But you don't have the credit.
But I don't understand. What's the problem?
Take a look at the problem. Your credit's terrible. I wouldn't even be able to loan you this pen. You see this pen here? You wouldn't even be able to get this from me. Julia, please escort her out of here.
Алло, Иван, мне нужна твоя помощь. Я в Ливерском центре. У меня плохой кредит-скор. Приезжай. Жду.
Hey, what you been eating lately? So what is that?
You're a loser.
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la.
Hey, can I help you with something? Are you interested in looking at a car? Congratulations, you got approved.